Hey devs, I'm Steph from Polygon Labs, and today I'm going to show you how to grab code from an existing smart contract and really quickly deploy that same code to Polygon zkEVM using Remix. So I've got a lock contract already deployed to Ethereum Goerli. You can see the contract here, and I'm looking at the code from Etherscan. This is the lock contract. I want to deploy this to Polygon zkEVM, and I don't actually have to change any of the code. All I have to do is copy this code, paste it into Remix by creating a new contract file. So I'm just going to call this lock.sol. I'll paste in that contract code and save it. When you save in Remix, it automatically compiles for you, but if you want to, you can just push compile the lock file. And then once you've compiled it, go down into the Deploy and Run Transactions tab. For your environment, make sure you're using your injected provider, MetaMask, and not any of these Remix VMs. That way, it'll grab the MetaMask network from your network right here. You can see I'm in Goerli right now, but I actually want to switch to zkEVM. So I already have the testnet in my Networks tab, but if for any reason you didn't have it, all you would have to do is go to wiki.polygon.technology, find the build tab and click build on zkEVM. And you should see something that is a bridge assets to zkEVM link. Click into the bridge, and the bridge has this really handy add to MetaMask feature. So if you click this button and you don't have the zkEVM testnet as a network already, it'll add it to your MetaMask networks up here. So you'll be able to switch into this just with a click of a button. And actually, while you're here, you can bridge some Goerli ETH over to zkEVM if you don't have any. You can see I already have some zkEVM ETH, so I don't need to do this step. But if I didn't have any, I would just bridge some over from Goerli by using this UI. Okay, let's get back to Remix and deploy the contract. So we're back in the Deploy and Run Transactions tab, and all you need to do is click Deploy. You can see there is a parameter for this. So something called unlock time is going into the constructor. The unlock time needs to be a time in the future. So I'm just using this really handy Unix Epic timestamp calculator. So I'm grabbing the current time, and within this, oops, that copy pasta did not work. Let's try that. Okay, there we go. So I'm grabbing this time, and I'm just going to add 1,000 seconds, bump that up a little bit so that when I deploy, the unlock time is a time in the future. So I click deploy, it popped open my MetaMask tab, and I'm just going to confirm this transaction to deploy the contract to zkEVM. You should see, let's see, creation of lock is pending. So there we go. We've successfully deployed. And let's just really quickly look at this contract on the Explorer. So I'm just going to copy this contract hash, and then I'll come back to the Polygon zkEVM docs. And there's a link that says Block Explorer URL. Open this link, and you'll be able to paste in that contract hash. And you can see here it is. It's been confirmed by 4 blocks about 30 seconds ago, and the contract was already created. Awesome. We did it. We deployed that lock contract to Polygon zkEVM. Thanks for watching.